We start with the daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if you refer to my last analysis when the price was within this correction, we did discuss how we can look for trade. And we mentioned the first target we're looking for is 1.26 following by 1.52. As we can see, the price tagged their first target and there was no breakout. All right. And even if you put this stop in relative to the previous one, and if you refer to the indicators, we see we had a divergence. That's why we should know how to manage the trade after the price tag the first target. Anyway, we move to higher time frame. We move to weekly chart. Based on weekly chart, we don't have nothing. We don't have much thing to discuss. The only thing this big shadow. And at this point, we have to wait. And if we move to lower time frame, even based on the weekly chart, we don't have much things to discuss. We cannot refer to the indicators. The only thing is we have to wait. We want to see how these two how this chart can behave, whether we can expect based on lower time frame the price consolidate here and this bigger one turn to a correction relative to the first for the next move. All right, that means at this point we have to wait, and even we don't have any trade setup. And if you move to lower time frame based on daily chart, similar explanation. If the price consolidate here for longer time, then we can look at this one for continuation. All right, but at this point we don't have any trade even based on daily. We want to see what we have based on week 4 hours and 1 hour chart, similar explanation. The best things to wait at least 1 to 2 days and we see how the is going to form. And how about if the price continue from here in relative to what we have here? The only option is to put our entry above the top, above here, and in that case you want to price sharply tag break and continue. It's not a trade setup. All right, it depends on the traders, but my suggestion is to wait, and we want to see based on daily chart how the price is going to behave before we look for the next move. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.